My name is Yuta Ikeda. The main title is the coded hierarchical modulation with amplitude for estimating the position in visible light communication. Introduction. There is dangerous zone under the crane, so warning is required when worker gets under a crane. Visible light communication. Visible light communications are visible to eyes, so to reduce flicker are required. A flicker depends on both its amplitude and time. Visible light communication are suitable for the alert system because visible light communication is visible to eyes and communicates an electronics device simultaneously. 3ASK. Communication distance becomes long when transmission power becomes high. So the signal whose power level is 2 can send further than the signal whose power level is 1. Thus, we can transmit the different information according to the distance. The proposed modulation. The coded hierarchy. These are transfer function from the information to 3ASK. So we propose the coded hierarchical modulation as estimating the position. The coded hierarchical modulation with amplitude. Hierarchies are distinguished by changing amplitude. The code for short distance is first hierarchy, and the code for long distance is second hierarchy. Experimental results. We need to confirm received signal is changed according to the distance. So we measure BR according to the distance. These are experimental environments. In results, the receiver can receive first hierarchy at short distance and second at long distance. It is important for us not to feel a flicker from a lighting equipment to use the proposed method as a lighting equipment. So we compare the proposed method 3ASK and 2 ppm in view of the flicker. These are experimental environments. We assume one slot of the first hierarchy is one amplitude, and that of second is 2 amplitudes. Sum of amplitude is 16 milliseconds brightness. This graph is how many amplitude we feel flickers. In results, we cannot feel a flicker easily if the number of amplitude is 6 amplitude or less. And we compare the proposed method 3ASK and 2 ppm in view the flicker. This graph is experimental results. So in results, this proposed method resembles 2 ppm. So this proposed method is a few flickers. Conclusion. The information is changed gradually from the transmitter according to the distance. So we can warn danger of worker. And the proposed method can be used as a lighting equipment. So there are a few flickers. Future works. We create the system that is adapted for actual environments. Thank you. This LED is a crane set under a box. It's under the receiver. The position of receiver is under the crane. Receiver alert. And moved. Receiver say caution. And move. receiver say careful, and receiver cannot receive signal and say safe.
Thank you.